Ladies and gentlemen, I extend a warm welcome to all viewers joining us today. Together, we are embarking on a journey to discover the process of creating an SSH UDP account on darkssh.com, a platform dedicated to enhancing and optimizing internet speed for users confronted with suboptimal internet connections. To initiate this enriching experience, kindly open your preferred browser, whether it be Chrome or another search engine, and navigate to darkssh.com. Upon arriving at the homepage of DarkSSH, locate and click on the three dots icon, initiating a drop-down menu where you will be required to select the SSH and OVPN option from the list provided. As you proceed, a new set of options will be unveiled, among which you are encouraged to opt for the SSH UDP selection. At this stage, choose your desired or most suitable location from the available choices. Once the selection is made, advance by clicking on the Create Now prompt to progress further in the account creation process. Subsequently, you will be prompted to input your chosen username, along with its corresponding password, and complete a verification CAPTCHA. Upon completion of these crucial steps, finalize the account creation by clicking the Create Account button. Your SSH account particulars will then be meticulously crafted, awaiting you to copy these essential details by utilizing the copy function as provided. Subsequently, you are urged to integrate this freshly minted SSH UDP account with an HTTP custom or any preferred UDP application. Should you encounter any hurdles during this integration, I urge you to refer to the video tutorial linked within the description for additional insights and guidance. Embrace the seamless transition to a realm of supercharged internet speeds as you revel in the benefits afforded by your SSH UDP custom account. Remember, solidarity and consistent engagement are vital aspects of our community. Therefore, I encourage you to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels using the provided links in the description. Your active engagement, constructive commentary, video likes, subscription to our channel, and sharing are catalysts that fuel our commitment to delivering insightful content. Let us enrich our online experience together, safeguarding compliance with YouTube's community guidelines as we embark on this educational journey. Thank you for your undivided attention and unwavering support in our collective pursuit of optimized internet connectivity and speed enhancements.